So right now, I'm in shambles. A bitch is like I'm stressed. I just literally threw on my eyebrows, put on some mascara, and did a lip really quickly. And I'm going to go outside, and I have to do some makeup for a wedding. A wedding. The MAC Fix Plus spray powder on my face, like in deep 60s. So actually wear a hat. Like, I really don't want to wear a hat because I'm having a little bit of a bad hair day. I think I might actually even try to lay edges. So yeah.
So my tracks are actually loose in the front, but we ain't gonna worry about that right now.
We gonna play it off.
You gotta fake it till you fucking make it.
2 seconds from putting on a hat, like. Okay, so this is pretty much it. People usually like sit under the dry, but I'm in like a super hurry. I'm going to get ready. I have on like a granny nightgown right now, so I'm gonna get ready. Okay guys, so I'm ready. I did my hair. I just basically laid it down flat. It looks a hot mess. I have tracks showing. Blue shirt from Five Below. It was only $5. You guys, and that you see me in my natural state, and this is me. Let's take a puff for my head. Big bitch is stressed. I'm done.